क्या आपको भी समझ नहीं आता कि सेल्फ लव की जर्नी कहाँ से शुरू करें? I've got the solution for you.
Bella Vita Organic has introduced their self-love kit to help you take care of yourself.
You can order 100 ml luxury perfume and 5 skincare products from their range in just rupees 999. Amazing, right? I ordered the Glam perfume, which is the perfect scent for me. Along with that, I ordered the Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub, which is perfect for the summers, as it removes tan and dead skin off like an eraser. Next product is Nicolips. It is a lip brightening scrub which gently removes dry skin from your lips. इसमें बीटरूट है जो लिप्स को पिंक टिंट देता है naturally. Next is Kumkumadi face oil. This face oil has turmeric, saffron and Kumkumadi extracts, which deeply moisturizes and brightens the skin. Fourth skincare product is Eye Lift, which has clinically proven to reduce dark circles in just 4 weeks. Last product that I ordered is Tinty in the shade of Peachy Peach. As you can see, it gives me such a nice tint. And guys, there's something about blush. Blush lagate hi I feel so much more confident. All you have to do is go to their website, select your 5 favorite skincare products and 1 luxury perfume. तो अभी जल्दी जाके order करो and it's time to pamper yourself.